properly. And especially in India, that would be a big thing.
You know what?
It's what we believe in India.
It's been 10 years since I was in Delhi, 10 years ago, that I've had Indian food this good. It is phenomenal. This is a mixture of chicken, I think some meat, coriander, spices. With the bread, phenomenal. This, by the way, these little bits of chicken, roasted chicken. My God, it is incredible how delicious this food is. I mean, it blows my mind, to be honest with you. As I said, it's been maybe 10 years since I'd been in a restaurant in New Delhi, which was this good. It is, it's phenomenal. This is the Masallah restaurant here in Hanoi, and it is marvelous, charming little place.